May profits be upon you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're moving on from the Dixie, which was the previous video, from the US dollar index, and we're moving on to the Euro USD. And I want you to take a look at the RT money meter. You can see the USD is the strongest of them all. Again, ranking number one over a 15-week period. We've tracked the rate of change here. And for the euro, not a whole lot of change, minus 713 to minus 660. Not too much of a change, still one of the weakest, and I will put the one of the weakest against the strongest any day, right? So what are we looking like on the 4 hour? The 4 hour shows downtrend. We make a lower low, and we break that low. And we break this low. I mean, we're just breaking lows and preserving highs, right? I mean, all we want to see in a trend is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Breaking the lows and preserving the highs. We know that we have bearish order flow, right? Now, what's important here is this area. I like seeing this. I like seeing this consolidative corrective period here, right? Price is generating, the markets are generating orders here, all right? You know, building liquidity, taking it, building liquidity, then taking it, and again and again and again until we finally sweep the lows for a breakout of this consolidative structure here, right? We broke that low, and frequently, you'll see, frequently, what you'll see is price comes up to test, comes back and tests that low that was broken, if it's important enough, okay? Now, what I'm looking at is a lot of momentum here. Goodness gracious. A lot of momentum to the downside here, right? And what I would love to see after a low is broken, a break of structure, a pullback. I'd like to see a pullback, preferably above that break level to an area that we call premium pricing, all right? See, here's the deal. I'm looking at this area, this top here, and that bottom, all right? Actually, this is the start of the movement down, but the swing high structure, the pullback lower high to make this lower low is where you want to track your trading range, all right? Now I can say comfortably right now that we've prices hit and created a lower low. It might go lower before it pulls back, but for right now, this looks like the lower low. All right. And what I want to see is a pullback above the 50% level. All right. That's what I'd like to see because that's what most frequently happens. But when you have a lot of, like I've said before, when you have a lot of momentum to the downside, you may only see a 38% pullback. All right, you might not see a full 50% plus pullback. I want to come back to the 618. All right, I want to come back here because this is the this is the equilibrium of your trading range, the middle point. All right, you want to see price pull back above that. This is premium prices, this is discount prices. You want to get premium prices for a short. All right, that's where the big boys get their shorts. All right. What I like to see, what I'm hoping is we get back here, right around that golden ratio, and then come down. But if it doesn't happen, I'm looking here. Why? Look on the 2 hour. On the 2 hour, let me get rid of this. Come on, man. This thing drives me crazy. All right. You can see price has some points here where supply could be found, and I'm going to look. I'm going to keep my eye out. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to keep my eye out for bearish price action here, because if we get bearish price action here, then I'm going to we can look to see that this correction is done, and we're going to take that low out and head toward multi-year lows. We are so close to this multi-year low here at 1.03403. You know, you can see it cleanly on the weekly, right? That's a multi-year low, folks. We break that, it's just going to be a bad year for a euro. All right, it's just going to be bad. All right, we've already broken this one with a lot of momentum. This low was made in 2020. Okay, and we broke it here with a lot of force. We're probably going lower, and that's what I'm expecting. Maybe we get that pullback on the 4-hour, and all this extra writing here. You know, all of this, this all this stuff here. Clean that up. All right. So that's what I'm looking for. All right. Oh man, I didn't mean to take away the zone that I had there. I'll redraw it just so that you can get a screenshot of it, because it's a possible spot that we might find price may want to interact with. All right, and you know, it could sweep these highs. It could sweep these highs, all right, into this zone right around the midway, right around the 50% mark of this zone. You know, maybe we get up this high after it takes sweeps these sweeps liquidity at these highs here. You know, we get this boom, boom, and then we take out of short there. So that's what we look for. We don't take any trades unless we get confirmations, right? If it breaks this high, then we're gonna probably fill in this fair value gap, all right? This inefficient price move. That's why I have the arrows here, up to here, right? And going into this zone up here. All right, this will be the, you know, option number 2. All right, looking at option number 1 as far as POIs, POI 1, POI 2, and we'll see what happens. Okay, that's it. I'm moving on to the next pair for the next video, which will probably be GU, pound USD. And I will see you in the next video. Do not forget, hey, smash that like button for me, will you please? All right, I appreciate it. It helps build this channel up. Catch my updates by subscribing, and do leave a comment. If this is what you're looking for, let me know. If you think this is these 2 POIs are the good ones to look at, let me know. I would like to hear from you. But this will be the target. This will be the target. All right, this multi-year low here. This will be the target. I'm just looking for any pullback here as an excuse to get in, look for my shorts. I'm looking for shorts, not counting trades. I'm looking for shorts. Okay, see you in the next one.